Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is April 19th, Saturday. Right now it's about 5:30 p.m. I actually just picked this shower head, handheld shower head kit up from Facebook Market. It's brand new, according to the seller. I got this from 20 bucks. The brand is called Couradric. Couradric, I never heard of it. 20 bucks. I did look at Amazon. Roughly costs about 30 bucks, 40. It's a cheap brand. So want to show you guys what's included. When you open the box, it came with this thread seal, for thread pipe seal. So that's pretty cool. It came with the kit. Obviously, you got yourself a shower head. Let me see. Ooh, feel like it's plastic, guys. So let's try to hold this up. You see that? This is black with some kind of copper way on it. I don't know. Maybe that's the texture itself. So let me put this on the floor. Put this here so you got yourselves a. And you could also adjust the setting. Turn this. There we go. You hear that noise? So different type of water pressure. Okay, move this apart. Let's see what else it came with it. You got all these instructions. What's this? Happy or not happy sign. It's probably for the review. Instruction on installation. I don't know if you guys need me to show you guys how to install it, but it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, let's see what it came with it. So obviously you got yourselves a shower head right there on top. You got the wall bracket. You got the tape. You got the shower hose and gasket. 2-piece of washer. Okay, in reserve 1 piece. So they gave you extra. So should have 3 piece then. Let's see if we have that. Okay, let's see. You got yourselves a hose. I feel like it's metal. Yeah, it's metal. And I assuming this is the bracket. And then where's the washer? It should be here. So okay. Here's the washer, guys. Got one. It has a filter on it. Got the mash filter in the middle. There's another one. No, I guess that's it. I don't know. It says there's 2. Yeah, missed it somewhere. What's in here? That was used for a shower head. No. So yeah, I don't know what happened. That fell off while I was driving. Anyway, we'll make it work. I guess there's one right there already. Oh yeah, it's in there. So first thing, this is actually my old one. I actually removed that. I actually cleaned it, everything. You want to clean the thread right here. And then just installing is pretty straightforward. You kind of just twist on. You don't want to go heavy duty on this. So I got like a wrap and then kind of wrap around. And then you use this to tie it. So you don't strip the paint, the chrome, or the look to it. So the way how it work is that, let's see. It'll go like this. So this right here will go into the back of the wall like that. You want to use the ceiling. I have my own, so I'll probably use my own. I'm not going to open the one that they have. It's brand new, the one that they have. Wrap around, seal a few times. Put this one on, and then do the bottom, and then that's about it. I guess just 2 screws, and of course make sure you use the washer. Just to be safe, let's look where the washer goes. Okay. So we see, guys. So not this one. Okay, so washer, you see that goes between the bracket and then the hose. So 1 washer right there. You don't need any washer right there. So the 2 washer that they were talking about, these 2, it's already in the hose already, so you don't have to worry about it. It's probably in the hose right here, which is the one that I show you guys right there. It's in there already. So the only one you need to install is this. On this end, it goes between the bottom part right here. And of course, every thread, you got to put that thread seal, which is this. You gotta put this on, which I have one ready, so I'm not going to use this. This is brand new. Anyway, yeah, that's about it, guys. If you guys are looking for one that's pretty cheap, I got it for 20 bucks, but I guess if you could get it from Amazon, it's only cost 25 bucks. I seen some of these are 30 bucks. Different look to it. Most likely it's made in China. Nice meeting you and be fun forever. Okay. Just a little bit of the company speech. Shower head, does it have a location for use with automatic? Oh, yeah, I also have the water right there. Max 1.8 GPM, 80 psi, Where is it? Right there, guys, made in China. Pretty straightforward. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.